Did you know the spices in your kitchen can boost your health? In this video, we're going to explore the fascinating world of spices and condiments and how they can supercharge your well-being. We'll be looking at 10 common yet extraordinary seasonings and herbs. Each has its unique properties and health benefits, so get ready to spice up your life and health knowledge. First up, we have turmeric, a spice known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Its magic lies in the compound curcumin. This golden ingredient not only lends its color to our curries but also combats inflammation, contributing to overall well-being. Next on our list is cinnamon, a staple in our spice racks. This aromatic spice does more than just sweeten our dishes. It's believed to help regulate blood sugar levels and is packed with antioxidants. From adding a burst of flavor to dishes, these spices also boost our health in significant ways. Next on our list are ginger and garlic, spices famous for their distinctive flavors and health properties. Ginger, often enjoyed in teas or as a zesty addition to meals, boasts anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It's also a reliable ally against nausea and aids in digestion. Transitioning to garlic, a common ingredient loved for its potent aroma, it impresses with its potential cardiovascular benefits. Regular consumption may help maintain a healthy heart and boost your immune system. As you can see, these spices offer more than just flavor. Now let's spice things up a bit with cayenne pepper and oregano. Cayenne pepper, a fiery spice, is packed with capsaicin, a component that may give your metabolism an extra kick. Plus, it's not just about heat, it's also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. On the other hand, oregano, a staple in Italian cuisine, is not just for pizza. It's a power pack of antioxidants and might even hold antimicrobial properties. Spice and health certainly go hand in hand with these two. Moving on to rosemary and thyme, two herbs that are as healthy as they are aromatic. Rosemary, with its evergreen fragrance, is a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, making it a potent ally for our health. Transitioning to thyme, a small-leafed herb with a big impact. Thyme's secret lies in its compounds that pack potential antioxidant and antimicrobial properties, making it a worthy addition to your spice cabinet. Whether in a roast or a stew, these herbs bring both flavor and health. Last but not least, we have paprika and black pepper, two spices that pack a punch in both flavor and health benefits. Let's start with paprika. Not only does it add a vibrant color to your meals, but it's also loaded with antioxidants and may have anti-inflammatory effects. Moving on to black pepper, it's more than just a flavor enhancer. It actually plays a key role in enhancing nutrient absorption, helping your body make the most out of your meals. So next time you reach for these spices, remember the health benefits they're bringing to your plate. And there you have it, 10 spices, each with its unique health benefits. From the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric and ginger, to the cardiovascular benefits of garlic. The metabolism-boosting capsaicin in cayenne pepper, the antioxidant-rich oregano, rosemary, and thyme. And let's not forget the anti-inflammatory effects of paprika and nutrient absorption enhancement of black pepper. These spices are more than just flavor enhancers, they're a boon to our health. So go ahead and spice up your meals, not just for the taste but for the health benefits too.